Hi all, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nisha. So today I'm here with a tandoori chicken recipe served with a pita bread that is an whole wheat kubus. So before heading, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and choose all options so that whenever I do upload you will be getting it as a notification. So let's start. Now to make our chicken tandoori, I have taken over here 900 grams of chicken. I have taken the drumstick pieces as my kids love it. Now it depends on your taste. If you want to use the boneless, you can. Next, into a bowl, we will be preparing our marination. Next, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Into it, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Then goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes in chili powder as per your taste. And then I have added 2 teaspoons of the red chili sauce. And then I have added 1.5 tablespoons of the light soya sauce. Two tablespoons of olive oil. Then goes in a tablespoon of the tandoori masala. Half a lemon squeezed. One tablespoon of the tomato ketchup. Needed salt for your chicken. 1 tablespoon of the coriander powder. Finally, give it a good mix until it's all well combined. Next, we will be transferring our chicken into a bowl, adding the masalas and give it a good mix. We'll keep the marinated chicken for minimum 15 minutes. Now the more you keep, the more tastier the meat gets. Wrap it well and goes in the fridge to rest. Now here's our marinated chicken. I kept it in the fridge for almost 6 hours. Next is just to grill our chicken. Now you can select your preferred way, either you can grill outdoor or oven or even in sandwich maker. Over here, I'll be grilling it in the pan. Using the normal pan, you can use the grilling pan instead. Also, before adding the oil, make sure the pan is hot. And I just added over here 1 tablespoon of oil. Keep it on a low flame and let the chicken get cooked. Make sure you do cook all the sides of the chicken, maybe twice or thrice. When done, transfer it into a plate. Now to the last touch-up. As we all know, tandoori, it should be having a smoky flavor. So, when you're grilling outside, you can avoid this. Now for the smoky flavor, I have arranged the chicken pieces in a casserole, kept a foil paper to the middle, and we'll be placing a burnt charcoal onto the foil paper, adding a teaspoon of butter or ghee onto the charcoal. Immediately close the casserole and just open it after 50 to 60 seconds. That's it. We don't need more, because the more you keep, the more smoky flavor it catches and it can ruin your chicken. So here's our chicken tandoori ready. Next, as a side, I'll be serving some salted onions too. So for that, into the leftover marination mixture, we'll be adding some sliced onion. Mix it well and salt it in the same pan, or either you can salt in a different pan by adding a bit of olive oil. And here's our salted onion is ready. Now, if you want, you can skip this, you can avoid this, but it really adds a yum side for your dish. Next, thought of serving the chicken with something interesting. So for that, I have made an whole wheat pita bread, or we do call kubus in Middle East. So for that, I have taken a bowl over here. Into it, I'll be adding 3 cups whole wheat flour. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of the yeast. Over here, I'm using the instant yeast. So it's enough just to add into our flour, because no need to get it froth. Goes in a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of sugar. Into it, I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of the olive oil. Next, I have taken over here 1.25 cup of warm water, and I'll be adding slowly, kneading it into a smooth dough. Just the way we need for our chapati dough. Now, to keep the dough moist and soft, we will be applying some olive oil onto the dough, and we will be covering it with a kitchen napkin and keeping at the room temperature for nearly 1 to 1.5 hours. After kneading it well again, we will be making medium-sized balls from the dough. Now here I am using the chapati press. Now in between I'll be sprinkling some sesame seeds on top and just a quick press. Now if you want, you can skip this. I have heated our tawa over here and will be placing the bread. We'll be covering it for 2 to 3 minutes till the bread starts puffing up. Flip the other side and a similar way let it get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat the process for all the balls. Whole wheat kubus or the pita bread is ready. So I hope you will enjoy the tandoori chicken served with the whole wheat pita bread. This is a perfect menu for your weekend, and until we see with the next video, this is Nisha. Take care and bye all.